Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how to add text to Instagram Reels at different times. So just open your Instagram application and then tap on the plus icon at the top left corner of your screen to add a story, and then choose the reel from the list of the options. And then first record your video or upload a video from your album. So here, this is just an example. After that, tap on save, then tap on the font icon at the top corner of your screen, that one, and then type out a text that you want to appear to your reel at different times. So for example, this one, and then another example is two. Okay, just this. You can also adjust the size of your text, the color, anything. And then for the another example, just I'm going to use two. Okay, that's how you read it. Adjust the size and then choose a different color. Okay, and then after that, tap on the text that you just type out, and you can see this page here. So adjust the time when it will appear to your screen. Okay, just drag it. Okay, just drag it to your left or right, and then as you can see here, the one appeared first, and then the second is the two. You can also adjust by dragging it again to your right. Okay, now the two appeared on the screen. So that's it. That's how easy it is to, add text to your reels on Instagram at different times. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.